We are analyzing the extreme hardware boundaries and advanced AI engineering of the new Honor Magic 9 Pro Max global version to see how it dominates the ultra-premium flagship smartphone market. Before we dive into the specs, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech analysis. Now, let's talk hardware. The core processing architecture is driven by the ultra-powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 flagship platform, heavily integrated with an advanced dual vapor chamber liquid cooling system and dedicated AI neural engines to maintain peak, unthrottled frame rates. For storage and memory layout, this absolute beast comes equipped with high-speed configurations of up to 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM paired with 512 GB or a massive 1 TB of UFS 4.0 internal storage, completely eliminating any performance bottlenecking. The display is an absolute masterclass, featuring a stunning 6.81-inch quad-curved LTPO OLED matrix supporting a fluid 120Hz dynamic refresh rate, ultra-high 4320Hz PWM dimming for absolute eye comfort, and extreme outdoor peak brightness. Sustaining this heavy performance profile is a historic 6,000 mAh high-density silicon-carbon battery, weaponized with 100W wired supercharge and a blistering 80W wireless fast-charging technology that refills the massive cell in record time. The photography department is completely dominated by a pro-grade triple matrix system, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor with variable aperture and OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a groundbreaking 200-megapixel Periscope telephoto camera with advanced optical zoom and deep AI-driven imaging enhancement. The hardware is fully loaded with next-gen flagship features, including a multifunctional NFC chip, an ultra-fast in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, and advanced two-way satellite connectivity communication hardware. Durability is elite, built with an ultra-touched nanocrystal shield glass back and a reinforced chassis holding a certified IP68 waterproof and dustproof rating to withstand extreme, real-world environments. Running the latest official global version skin, the device is powered by MagicOS based on Android 16 out of the box, offering full Google Play services, advanced AI Magic Portal features, and long-term official software updates. The standout feature is definitely the combination of that massive 6,000 mAh silicon-carbon battery, the monster 200MP periscope zoom, and the raw Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processing power, making it the ultimate king of 2026 flagships. Stay ahead of the tech curve, like, subscribe, and check the link in the first comment. Thanks for watching.